Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Brilliant Technologies. My name is Rishit Dhiman. In this video, we are going to talk about WordPress child theme and how we can create it. So let's start it. Let's start it first with what is a child theme. This is a theme that includes all the functionalities and styling of the other theme, which means that is a parent theme. The parent theme contains all the necessary files and code to make the website work, while the child theme is used to make the customization without modifying into a parent theme. You might be wondering why should you use child theme instead of just modify the parent theme. Well, the main reason is that if you modify the parent theme directly, you risk losing your changes when the parent theme gets updated. On the other hand, when you use a child theme, you change remain intact even the parent theme gets updated. So let's start it. Let's start it how we create it. So first you need to go to the your WordPress folder. Inside the WordPress folder, you need to go WP content folder and theme folder. And I am just making a child theme of 2021. So I just created one folder inside the theme folder. That name is 2021 child. So sorry, I just created a file. So not need to create a file, need to create a folder. So I'm just creating one folder which name is 2021 child. Inside that particular folder, you need to create one file that is a style.css. In that particular, you need to add some comment. So I'm just adding some comment by using this syntax. First, what is the theme name? The theme name is a 2021 child theme. And next will be a template name. Template name should be your parent theme is your 2021. You need to go to the style.css file and just copy the text domain from there. So the text domain name is 2021. So I put it here. After that, you can just add a author name and that author URI. That is not a required work field, but you if you add it, so that is nice. So https colon leave.com. So I have created that file. Now you need to create one more file that is a function.php file. So inside that you need to add some styling script files. So I'm just adding one function which name I put it here child theme and q script. Okay, the function name is this. Now inside that particular function name, you need to call one more other function that is a wp and q type. The first argument will be a parent theme style sheet name. So that is 2021 style. Now you provide the URL for that. So the URL is get template directory.uri function and the file name. File name is the style.css file. Now you need to add your style sheet here. So you need to do one thing. You need to add another same function. You need to copy it and paste it here and now you need to pass your child style name and now. So here you need to add get style sheet directory URI and the style sheet name. Now you want to inherit all the CSS property here. So you need to pass one another argument with the array, and here you need to add the parent theme style. So I'm just adding it there. Then the another argument is the version. So I just put it here 1.01. So that is a function. Now you need to call that particular function. So for this you need to add an action name. The action name is WP NQ scripts, and now you need to call your function name. My function name is this. So, so for creating a child thing, you need to add two important these files. Add to this file. One is function.php file, and second is style.css file. So if you want to change or modify a parent theme, then you need to add that particular function inside that particular function.php file. So now I'm just going to my WordPress panel. So here the purpose inside that I'm going to theme option. See the theme is there. When I click it here, so it's showing the by this author name. The child theme is of 2021. And when I go to the website, it should look like this. So let me just activate that particular theme. So it activated when I click on. See, the code is the same. Everything, this particular theme inherit all the properties and styling of the 2021. So this is the process. You can create a child theme in a WordPress. So just follow this step so you can create easily the child theme. So thank you for watching this video. So please like this video, subscribe our channel and click on the notification bell for latest update. Thank you.